Good morning, students. Today we will read the question answer of Don't Be Afraid of the Dark. This is unit number 5. And poem. This is a poem and their word meaning. First word meaning is afraid. Afraid means frightened. And the second is dark. Dark means without light. Rest means stop working. Okay. And the next is harsh. Harsh means rough. And the next is forever. Forever means for always. And the next is troubles. Troubles means problems. Keys means bring to an end. Okay. And then questions. Reading is fun. The first is, what is the poem about? The poem is about children's fear of darkness, of the night, and the ways to overcome this fear. Okay? किसके बारे में ये poem? About fear of darkness, of the night. And the next question is, what happens when the day is over? When the day is over, darkness spread everywhere. Darkness spread everywhere, and the moon and the star start shining in the sky. Okay. And the next is, what does the earth do when the day is over? The earth takes rest when the day is over. क्या करती है? Rest. The earth takes rest. And the next is, what does the poet want us to do at night? The poet wants us to friendly with night and think about our friends and relatives. And next is true and false. Are these sentences true and false? आपको बताना है कि कौन सा true है, कौन सा false है sentence. The poet tells the child to be afraid when it is dark. तो क्या होता है? This is false. The poet tells the child to be fearless when it is dark. Okay. And the next is, the poet says that stars will always shine at night. क्या है इसका? True. The poet says that stars will always shine at night. And the next is, the poet tells the child to think of friends after it is dark. This is true. The next is word building. Word building: moon plus light, moonlight; brick plus fast, brick fast; and good plus night, good night; day plus break, day break; water plus fall, waterfall; rain plus bow, rainbow. Okay. And the next is, look at these words in the poem. Don't, want. This is short form, and here are their full form. Don't, do not; want, will not. Okay. Now write the full form of the following words. किस किस की full form लिखनी हमने? Didn't, shouldn't, wouldn't, couldn't, mustn't. Okay. And didn't की full form क्या होगी? Did not, shouldn't, should not, wouldn't, would not, and couldn't, could not, and mustn't, must not. Okay. Let's talk. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? Share your experience in this question. Okay. Are you afraid of the dark? Why? Yes, I am afraid. जिसको डर लगता है वो लिखे yes, जिसको नहीं लगता वो लिखे no, and because. तो इसमें क्या है? Yes, I am afraid of the dark for some reasons. Firstly, it's dark, therefore I can't see anything and might fall down and get hurt. Secondly, a sensational fear run into my body if I hear any sound in the dark. Okay. What do you do when it is dark? When it is dark, I close my eyes, lie down on the bed, and dream about my friends. And the next is, have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. Yes, I got frightened many times. One day when I was sitting in my room and it was dark, only candlelight was there. Suddenly, due to air, the lid of candlelight flickers and my surprise, a figure ran out of my room. I was so shocked that I got goosebumps in my body. Then I found that it was my little kitten who ran outside the room. Okay, and in this question, share your experience. Have you ever been very frightened? Tell your partner about it. Team time. This is divide the class into 4 groups. आपको divide करनी है class को 4 groups में. And the second is imagine life without the sun. Imagine. आपको imagine करना है कि आपकी life without sun क्या होगी. And the third is what are the things that may happen if there is no sunlight. Okay, and the answer is if there is no light, when there will be no day, only night will be there and people will be sleeping all the time. The trees will not get sunlight to make food. Okay, without day and sun there is no light, only night will be there and people will be sleeping all the day. Discuss with the group and write your ideas in your notebook. Same ideas as above and many more can be included as per your thinking. And the next is the red teacups are filled with a particular word. Filling the yellow teacup with similar sounding words. Note the example. First is TWO and yellow cup TWO. Now this sentence, the sum was too difficult for the class to solve. क्या है? And the TWO, only 2 students could do it. And the next red cup ONE and yellow cup WON. And this sentence is there was only one boy who won the prize. Okay, and then third is dear DWR and DEAR, and the sentence is the golden deer was very dear to him. And the last is SON and SUN, sun. Romson's son loved to play in the sun. Okay, and now this defense clear. Okay, and the last is read out the following phrases aloud, divide them into loud and softer sound. And these words are right here. And loud sound, clapping hands, stamping feet, and eka moving. This is loud sound. And the softer sound is a worm moving, a bird blooming, a butterfly flying, and feather dropping, an ant walking, the wind blowing, whisper, tiptoe, a leaf falling. Understood? This is softer sound. Okay.